Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Snapchat cannot export memory. So there are a couple of reasons why you could be facing the problem. So the first is going to be checking storage permissions. Simply go ahead and open your Snapchat, click on your profile and click on the top right gear icon. Now this is where what you want to do is simply go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find permissions settings. And then once you simply go ahead and find the permissions tab, simply go ahead and tap on it. Now this is where you want to check if your location services are enabled and then your photos are also enabled. If it isn't, then it's going to say something like tap to enable. Simply go ahead and do that. If that is not the case, you might have a potential update. Simply go ahead and search for Snapchat on your App Store or Play Store, depending on the device you're using. And then there is going to be an update button. If that is not the case, try uninstalling and reinstalling the application, which should go ahead and fix your problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.